Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best wide rule spiral notebook on the market. The Mead Spiral Notebooks, sold in a convenient 6-pack. If you're searching for a reliable, versatile, and affordable notebook that suits a variety of needs, from school to work to personal projects, then this product deserves your attention. The Mead Spiral Notebook features a classic design with a sturdy cardboard cover that's coated for durability. The notebooks come in assorted colors, including red, blue, green, yellow, purple, and black, giving you a fun variety to choose from, or to assign to different subjects or projects. Each notebook is sized at 7.5 by 10.5 inches, which offers a comfortable amount of space to write while still being easy to carry around. Inside, you'll find 70 sheets of wide-ruled paper, perfect especially for younger students or anyone who prefers larger spacing between lines for clearer, more legible notes. The pages are double-sided, giving you a total of 140 writing surfaces per notebook, so there's plenty of room to take detailed notes or complete assignments. One standout feature of these notebooks is the perforated pages, which allow you to tear out sheets cleanly and neatly without damaging the rest of your work. This is great for handing in assignments or sharing notes. Additionally, the notebooks are 3-hole punched, so you can easily organize them into binders if you want to keep all your materials in one place. Assembled in the USA using both domestic and foreign parts, these notebooks maintain consistent quality and dependability. The paper itself has an ultra-smooth finish, which helps your pen glide easily across the page without bleeding or feathering, making writing a pleasant experience. Whether you're stocking up for a classroom, office, or personal use, the 6-pack option gives you a great value, with each notebook costing just a little over $1.50. This makes it an economical choice for anyone who needs multiple notebooks without breaking the bank. To sum it up, the Mead Spiral Notebooks combine quality, functionality, and affordability with a practical design that's ideal for wide rule note-taking. They're durable, versatile, and come in an assortment of colors that keep your work organized and visually appealing. If you want a dependable wide rule spiral notebook, this pack is a solid choice. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more honest product breakdowns. See you next time.